Welcome to the Tesla Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is November 13th, 2024, and we're diving into the latest happenings in the world of Tesla and electric vehicles. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Tesla is recalling 2,431 Cybertrucks due to a faulty drive unit inverter. This marks the sixth recall for the 2024 Cybertruck model this year. Unlike previous recalls that were resolved with software updates, this issue requires physical repairs. Affected vehicles will need their inverters replaced. The problem was first identified when a Cybertruck became stranded in late July, leading Tesla to investigate. By late October, it was determined that a bad batch of inverters was used in production from November 6, 2023 to July 30, 2024. Tesla plans to start replacing the faulty inverters on December 9, 2024, with new components designed to prevent malfunctions. This situation highlights that not all recalls can be resolved digitally, as approximately 20% of vehicle recalls now involve software solutions. The Cybertruck's unique design and production challenges have contributed to these ongoing issues. Tesla's proactive approach in addressing the inverter problem aims to ensure the safety and reliability of its vehicles. In other news, Volkswagen has announced a significant partnership with Rivian, a competitor to Tesla. VW is increasing its investment in the joint venture to $5.8 billion, up from an initial $5 billion. This collaboration aims to share electric vehicle technology amid a challenging market characterized by slowing global demand and heightened competition, particularly from Chinese manufacturers. Rivian, which has yet to turn a profit, will benefit from this funding as it prepares to launch its new R2 model, a more affordable SUV, next year. VW plans to integrate Rivian's technology into its own vehicle lineup, with the first models expected to be available by 2027. The partnership will involve developers and software engineers from both companies working together in California, with additional facilities planned in North America and Europe. This move comes as VW faces pressures from rising costs, declining sales, and the need for cost-cutting measures. Rivian is also taking steps to streamline operations and renegotiate supplier contracts in response to softening demand for EVs. Additionally, Rivian produces electric delivery vans for Amazon, which has ordered 100,000 units to be delivered by the end of the decade. The collaboration is seen as a strategic effort to enhance innovation and reduce development costs in the competitive EV market. That's all for today's episode of the Tesla Daily News. We hope you found these updates insightful. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Join us again tomorrow for more news and insights from the world of Tesla and electric vehicles. Until then, stay charged and drive safe.